DJI might be gearing up for another quiet shakeup in the drone world because two new names have started floating around recently: the DJI Lito 1 and the Lito X1. These drones haven't been officially announced yet, but they've already appeared in regulatory filings, and that's usually a strong hint that a launch isn't too far away. Starting with the Lito 1, this one seems designed for people who just want an easy, no-stress flying experience. From what we know so far, it looks like DJI's next entry-level drone, stepping into the same space currently occupied by the Mini 4K. Instead of adding flashy features, the focus here appears to be on simplicity, stability, and reliability. DJI has done this before. They refresh their beginner drones quietly, change the name, update the hardware, and keep the price and learning curve friendly. The Lito 1 fits that pattern perfectly. The Lito X1, though, is clearly aimed at a different crowd. This one is expected to sit higher in DJI's lineup and overlap with the Mini Pro series. That doesn't mean the Mini Pro is going anywhere. A smarter way to look at it is that DJI may be creating two options in the same weight class. The Mini Pro remains the safe, familiar premium choice, while the Lito X1 becomes something more experimental and creator-focused. That strategy actually gives DJI a lot of room to play. They can keep the Mini Pro line consistent and trusted while using the Lito X1 to test new ideas without pressure. For some users, the X1 might feel like a better fit than a Mini Pro, especially if they care more about smart features and innovation than traditional Pro branding. Now, the leaked specs around the Lito X1 are still unconfirmed, but they're definitely ambitious. There are rumors of full obstacle detection in all directions, advanced sensors for better altitude and positioning, and long-range transmission using DJI's newer communication tech. Wi-Fi control, multiple controller options, and smart flight modes are also being talked about. There's even chatter about voice commands, motion-based controls, strong wind resistance, and a small front display for flight info. Battery life could be impressive too, with different options depending on weight, along with built-in storage and expandable memory. If even half of this turns out to be true, DJI could be pushing the limits of what a sub-250-gram drone can offer. So for now, everything is still in the leak stage, but the direction is pretty clear. The Lito 1 looks like a clean upgrade for beginners, while the Lito X1 could be DJI experimenting with the future of compact creator drones. Once DJI makes things official, we'll have a much clearer picture. Until then, this is definitely something to watch.